Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I hope things get better. I have been away for a while. I've missed you all so much. I'm glad to be back filming. I'm feeling much better. Thank you all for those that have reached out to me to let me know, and also thank you to everybody who has sent me Christmas cards. As you can see them all back there. Thank you all, ladies. I will probably in the next video say who sent me cards, but there's a lot of ladies, they know who they are. Thank you so much for sending me cards, greatly appreciative. Thank you so much. But today we are doing Ipsy versus Ipsy for December of 2019. For those of you that know, I do a versus. It's a 45-year-old woman bag with black hair, brown eyes, and then the 18-year-old with brown hair, brown eyes, and 45-year-old is comfortable with makeup, whereas the 18-year-old is not. I don't know which is which. My daughter did see sneak peeks. She did tell me she wanted one item. I don't know what that item is. She won't tell me till after this video goes live, and then she'll tell me, Mom, I want that, and then anything else I don't use or I'm not gonna keep, and she's not gonna keep, will go on a giveaway. So December 2019. So let's get started. I'll start with this one. This one does feel a little smaller than this one. This one feels a little thicker. So we'll start out with the smaller bag. So for those of you that are not familiar, Ipsy is a subscription bag. It is monthly. You can pause months in between. You can pause months. You can skip them, like get January's and then skip February's and March and then get April's, but it's still $12. Well, when you get your bag, it's $12 a month. When it's paused, you're not charged anything at all. And it does come with 5 sample items inside your bag. Sometimes it comes with a full-size item, but you know, if you want to see your spoilers, and I think they're starting to let us pick items now, so that's always a good thing. This bag is the 6th item in the bag. So you get 5 sample stuff, 5 sample items, and then you get a bag, and the bag's the 6th item. So this one is a silvery color, really pretty, and then it's green on the inside, and then the green little tassel. It's not fabric, it is a thicker material, more like a vinyl maybe. So that's the bag. This is cute. Like I said, it does come with 5 deluxe sample sizes, I guess is the word. It all depends on what you think is deluxe. So this is "'Tis the Season to Treat Yourself." Again, December 2019, and the theme is Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. So let's get started. So the first, I dumped everything out. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is the Benefits Cosmetics Professional Pore Primer. So that's the packaging, and then that's a little container in there. That's a few, I believe that's a few uses. So then you can use it and see if you like it, and then if you don't like it, you know, you have to use it again, you can toss it, you can share it with someone else, or if you do enjoy it and you like it, then you can buy the full-size item. I didn't get any add-ons this month. Nothing appealed to me at all, so I didn't do that. The next item is this called H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Hydrating Treatment. It is a water gel moisturizer, clinically proven to double skin hydration and moisture for 24 hours. Oh, it's interesting. I like to use that. That's what the packaging looks like. It is small. It is 0.34 fluid ounces. Doesn't say anything. It just says lightweight texture, absorbs in seconds to leave you looking plump and smooth, never greasy. I guess this is the one time where you don't mind being plump. I'm just saying. So that's the second item. The third item is this Phase Zero Nude Newbie Pressed Eyeshadow. That's a single eyeshadow. I think we've gotten a few of these, if I'm not mistaken, right? Does anybody else get this bag? If you do, comment down below if we're twinsies or not. Let me know what you got in your bag. I know some people get all skincare, some people get all makeup. It does come with a mirror, and that's the color there. I won't swatch it or anything because, like I said, I don't know which bag is which. I don't know if this is my bag and then I go digging in it, or what if it's my daughter's bag and she wants this and I go digging in it, and then she's like, Mom, why'd you dig in my eyeshadow? So that's that. The next item is Belle and Argent Couture Cream Lip Color and Click Your Heels. Ooh, so it's red. Oh shoot, how do, okay. I'm trying to see how to open this. So much easier when you don't have your nails. That's the packaging. It is Click Your Heels. So I'm assuming like Wizard of Oz, red, ruby. Ooh, pretty. So that's silvery. I apologize if I blind you. Quickly exfoliate your lips with a scrub before swiping on 2 full coats of this bright red shade. Don't have one? A little sugar and honey is a great substitute in a pinch. Oh, that is pretty. I'm hoping this is not my daughter's and she doesn't want it, because that is actually something I would wear. That is very, very pretty. I love it. But we have to exfoliate really well. Oh, the only thing I don't like is getting your fingerprints all over this. Other than that, it's very beautiful, very chic, and it goes well in your little purse. So that's that one. That's actually a nice size. I've paid pretty good penny for some lipsticks that are this size, like 20 bucks. This is actually a good deal. And the next and final item is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. And I think I have like 4 of these. So maybe this is something my daughter wants. I don't know. Or is this my bag? Because I've received a lot of these. So that's, of course, that's the box. I've received a lot of these Tarte ones. They don't look like this. They look a little different. And that's the color there. It's actually kind of nice. I like it. I would wear this as an eyeshadow though. It's actually very pretty. But like I said, I think I have like 4 of these in the same size. So this might be my bag, but I'm not sure. So let's put everything back. Again, it's the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. We have the Phase Zero Nude Newbie Pressed Eyeshadow. We have the Click Your Heels in the, what is this? Beautyly, Couture Cream Belle and Argent, something like that. I'm trying to sound fancy. H2O Plus Beauty, the Water Gel Moisturizer, hopefully that's mine, and the Professional Pore Primer. I've never used this one. I've never bought it. Or anything. Oh, my nose is just okay. So that's everything in this bag. Like I said, let me know down below if you like this bag and if you got the same items I did in this bag. So at the end of the video, I will let you know, or even now, if once I go and edit this clip, because it's taking forever, I will list down here which bag is this. And then the next bag here. It is slightly thicker. Okay, so this has also the bag and also this, and I don't know what this is yet. So let's look for the card. Again, it's the same bag. All the Ipsy Glam bags have the all the Ipsy Glam bags have the same bag in them, so that will never be different. What's different is always the items inside, because they're supposed to customize to what you like. And also they customize based on your review. So if you give everything a 5-star review, they pretty much don't have much to work with on what they're sending you. So let's see here. Okay, so 4 items were inside the bag, and then the 5th item was outside the bag. So let's, again, the same thing, shine on. Oh, and the back says, ring in the new year. What a year. We dreamed big and brought you more choice, more personalization, more memberships. Hello, Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate, which I hear Ultimate is not doing too well. And that's one box I have not decided to pay $50 for. And more of what you want with add-ons. No add-ons for me this month. And yeah, so there you go there, if you want to read it. Okay, so let's get started. Again, this is everything that's in the box. So I'm going to start out with this one, because this one was outside the box. It says, we designed this brush to make your life easier, introducing complex culture. And which one is this. So this is the all over highlight and powder brush. The power is in your hands. Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, I don't want to take it out of the pouch. But that's the brush. I will. Next item we're pulling out is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in Park Avenue Princess. So it's the same exact item in the last bag. Maybe that's why I have so many, because we both get the same colors. I don't know. I have like 4 or 5 of these. Now 6. So again, that's the same color as previous. It doesn't come with a mirror. Kind of cheapy plastic, but it's cute. I mean, it's great to throw in your bag. They're just so small, they can't really fit your brush in there, but that's all right, I guess. The next item is the Colored Rain Focal Point Glow Lighter. No flash needed. That's the packaging right there. And I think this will be the second Colored Rain item that I received. I think the last Colored Rain item I also got in a subscription box. I can't remember which subscription box it was. But anyways, there it is, Colored Rain. It is a cute little plastic compact. Also a no mirror. And this highlighter is like a yellowy tone. I'll get really close. The color is no flash needed. It is kind of cheesy, like really cheesy. Like plastic wise, it's like that Tarte one. I don't know, it just seems really, really cheesy. That's the color No Flash Needed. And it does have like the yellow on the cover here. So, hopefully it's mine and I get to wear it. And then the next item is Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty Milkmaid Totally to Die For Indulgent Body Milk Cream. Oat milk, candied cream, seriously beautifying. Why do I feel like I have to read this like I'm somebody out of the 90s? I don't know. We pour in oat milk concentrate, marshmallow, root extract, and shea butter. And a whole bunch of other items that are listed on here. But that's what the packaging looks like. What the hell is this? Just a cream? I'll smell it. Is it open? No, it's got a safety seal, so I won't be able to know what's in here until I talk to my daughter. So that's the one. And then the last item, what is this? Avon. What? Avon True Color Glimmer Sticks Diamonds Eyeliner in Sepia. Huh. I don't like sepia. I really don't. Swap your go-to black eyeliner for glittery metallic bronze from decades old and always current beauty brand Avon to take your holiday party makeup to the next level. We got Avon in this bag. This is like, what is this, like $8? $10? Or even cheaper than that? I might not even use it for my eyes. I might use it on my lips if it's the color I think it is. It shows that it's a color sepia, and I'm thinking sepia is more like a rustic, like an old brown, like not brown, like a coppery. I don't know. I'm just surprised to see Avon in this subscription bag. I don't know, but you know, the only good thing I like about Avon is guaranteed. So if you don't like their product, even if you use it, even if you wear their clothing, whatever it is, you can actually return it to the person who sold it to you and they will refund your money or replace the item, which I like a lot. So that's always good to know. So Avon, oh, Avon stick. I think this is my bag. They're like, give that old lady some Avon. So Avon, a glimmer stick, and Avon. I don't like their glimmer sticks, so I don't even think I'm gonna keep this. But I'm not a fan of their glimmer sticks. Unless they've changed their formula, I don't know. So that's the glimmer stick, and then we got the Cake Milkmaid Cream Totally to Die For. So that's in there. And of course, we're not keeping both of these. We did get two, even if one is my daughter's, one is mine. Doesn't matter, we got two. This will definitely go into a future giveaway. This Tarte bronzer. It says it's waterproof. Maybe when I start doing like all these beauty reviews come January, I might try it and see if it is waterproof. Then I got this Focal Point Glow Lighter by Colored Rain. I hear Colored Rain is like pretty good. The bag, and then also this cute brush. Even if it's Jocelyn's, I'm keeping it. No, I'm not. I wouldn't. But it's very, very soft. It's actually really nice. I like using these for under my eye, or even like for eyeshadow. I think this is great. I just wish I could get it back in here, but I can't. So that's everything that I got in both bags. Let me know what you think of the bags. Oh, I'm such a dork. I poked it here, right? I just poked it and it went through. What a dumbass. I'm like, normally you can pull it. Don't mind me. Like I said, I don't know where my head's been. So got that. So that's everything that came in both bags. Let me know what you think of the bags. Let me know if you got the same things I did. I will let you know down here. Oh, I have hair on my face somewhere. I will let you know on the bottom of the bags when I open them whose bag is whose. But I liked both bags. Avon, I'm not too fond of the Avon Glimmer Stick, but this is a $12 bag, so you get what you pay for. So thanks again for hanging out with me. I am so glad I'm back. I've missed you guys so much. I'm just happy to be here. So I will go live again on Fridays. I haven't been doing them. I have not been feeling well. But let me know what you think of the Ipsy versus Ipsy, and if you received any of these items, maybe you got a mix of both in your bag. I don't know. But thank you all for hanging out with me. I am truly grateful that you're all here. I am 29, 30 away from 1900. So I'm looking forward to 1900. I decided to do another giveaway at 1900. I got a few giveaways I still have to send out. It's just been it's been a little rough right now. So I do have those there and I will send them out, but they will get them. So thank you all for being here. I am truly grateful for all of you. Until next time, hasta later.